Hello friends, very good morning. This is the Ballari Avinash. Welcome to another. Yes guys, I got the parcel from the Amazon. This is a LED switch for the LED fog lamp. I did not open it. I just want to open in front of you guys. Take a look here. I'm just going to cut it off. Unboxing this switch. It has just came from Amazon. Yeah, this is a cable and it is a switch for the LED flashlight. It's not a flashlight, it is just a light, fog light. On, off, on, and this is on, this is off, off, on, off. Single switch, it shows double switch. Come on, let us keep it beside for a while. And we have another box here. This is a LED fog lamp. This is a main box. It is also came from the Amazon online shopping. Okay, let us open the box. Look at this, guys. Actually, I was not having time to open it. Actually, it came before 3 days, and today I'm just opening it. Let us start the unboxing. Just removing it. I'm too faster today because I have a lot of work outside. So I'm making it too faster, guys. Take a look here. This is a box. Okay. Yes, this is a Hayabusa here, Suzuki Hayabusa. Simply they have just poured it in the box. Actually it is 12 volts, guys. Okay, now let us remove. There is no sticker at all. Let us keep it beside. Yes, these are the LED fog lamps. Wow. Come on guys, take a look on this. New fog lamps. Listen to the sound. One, two, three, four, five, six. Super. Metal quality is so good. Listen to the sound. Inside the screw. You can see this. Okay. We have one more here. Take a look on this thing also. Quality is so good, guys. As usual, you can see. Lamp for LED fog lamp. This is a Allen key screw, nut, and this is a watcher. This is a screw, and this is a clamp. Listen to the sound. Metal quality is so good. I think it is a bead. We have another one, this one. Yes guys, I just came near a local electrician, near Ghost electrician in Ballari. Just brought every parts of my LED lamps and switch. Let's pack it and give it to him so that he will set up the lights, guys. Yes guys. guys, switch, lamps, LED lights, and we are going to give him. Let us give it to him. Yes guys, this boy, he has bought HID lamp before on my bike, and now he's going to install LED lights, LED fog lights on my bike. His work is excellent guys, he do his work very perfect, nice work. Yes guys, that is a new clamp which I have purchased near local shops, and I have took 2 meters of speaker wire. Yes guys, this boy is installing the LED fog lamps. Look at him. And he is going to install switch for this fog lamps, and giving connection for the both fog lights. Speaker wire I have just took for 2 meters guys. That company, that people, they did not give that wire for connection, so we have to take it, and we have to take a tape, black color Teflon tape, not Teflon, it is a tape, black tape. Okay, you have to stick it properly, or else it may get short. Okay. Here he is going to install that fog lamps. He has installed it already, but he is going to install he is going to connect the wire for that connection for the light and switch. Both the lights, it will at a time, and switch for on and off. He has connected 2 wires. Take a look. That is switch on and off. I have put it there, on and off. We have to test it once, or else after putting everything sometimes it may fail, so we have to check it out first, and later we have to put the tape, and we have to install it properly, where everything should be inside the petrol tank and the dome, headlight dome. Okay, you can see this. Okay, come on, let us see the bulbs, whether it is working properly or not. The daytime. Look at this guys. Come on, take a look on the night times. This is a LED switch, LED lights, 12 volts. See, take a look closer. Oh, the lights are working guys. There is a parking light, and below LED fog lamp. You can see from far distance also Yes. Now I am going to put HID lamp. It is turned on. Take a look. This is actually HID lamp, headlamp, which I was put before LED lamp. I used to use this lamp, HID bulb. It is a HID. Okay, take a look closer. You can see the bulb inside. Okay, that is a HID. Okay, now I'm going to turn on LED switch. Take a look. Yes, have turned on LED lights. Take a look here. Is a LED. Take a look from beside my shock absorbers. Oh guys, it's so cool. Now take a look from this direction too. It get lot of light focus. Now still it is getting heat. Now I just turned it off and let us go for LED. This take a look on LED. LED. Just want to turn it off now. Take a look again, once again. LED. And both the lights at a time, HID also. And turn off LED off. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. God bless you one and all. Be happy. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.